Hi guys, I'm Kanish Kata from the Textorian. Welcome back to another video. So Reliance Jio has been a very trending topic in our country, India recently. And so today I'll be telling you all the things that you need to know about Reliance Jio. And I may be solving many of the queries that you might be having. So I'll be telling you about how you can get Reliance Jio SIM and what are the benefits that it provides. We'll be having an in-depth review and discussion about Reliance Jio. So let's begin this video. So Reliance Jio is a GSM service of Reliance, and Reliance is providing users with a regular SIM card that we all have, and there's nothing special about the SIM card, but the offers that Reliance is providing makes them special. So initially when Reliance Jio rolled out, it was only available to Reliance employees and a few of their family and friends whom they invited. So but afterwards Reliance extended it to all the users who purchase Live brand smartphone. So if you purchase a Live brand smartphone, you get Reliance Jio services along with that. But afterwards they extended it to Samsung smartphone users also. So if you have a Samsung smartphone, you can avail Reliance Jio on that smartphone. Then afterwards they extended it to LG phones also, and now they have released it for all 4G smartphone users. So if you have a 4G enabled smartphone, you can use Reliance Jio. I have a OnePlus 3 and an iPhone 5, so I can avail Reliance Jio on these phones. So I was very excited and happy about hearing this, and I'll get my Reliance Jio SIM as soon as possible. Now you all might be wondering why you should switch to Reliance Jio instead of the Telkom that you already have. So now I'll quickly tell you all the benefits that Reliance Jio is offering. So first of all, Reliance Jio is offering its SIM free of cost, so you don't have to pay anything to get the SIM. And the second benefit that Reliance Jio is offering for its customers for the first 3 months, that you can get unlimited free calls, unlimited free SMS, and unlimited 4G internet. Along with that, Reliance Jio has a few apps like Movies on Demand, TV on Demand, and its music service, which you can also avail for free for the first 3 months. So it is a really good deal. Now talking about its calls are not that great, as you can experience frequent call drops in its calls. But its 4G service is really good and you get really high speed internet in India. And if you are like me and you like to use free internet, or you don't want to spend too much money on internet pack, you can just go and get a Reliance Jio SIM and avail 3 months of free internet. You can also make hotspot and use it on your PC. So I highly recommend you using all these features for the first 3 months, and after that you can decide for yourself if you want to continue with Reliance Jio or not. And as far as the rumors go, Reliance Jio will be offering very cheap data plans and call plans for its users as compared to other competitors. So I recommend you to first use 3 months of Reliance Jio service, and after that we can see what call rates they'll decide, and we as consumers can decide whether to stick with it or not. Now for getting a Reliance Jio SIM, all you need to do is go to your nearest Reliance digital store and go and ask for Reliance Jio SIM. But this is not that simple, there are some complications to this process. First of all, in some of the Reliance digital stores, the information of getting the SIM to all 4G enabled smartphone might not have reached yet. So you might have to go back after some days, or you might have to ask them to confirm from other branches or their superiors. So that's the first complication. The second complication that you can face is the executive at Reliance Digital might ask you to download My Jio app and several other apps by Reliance. So that is the second complication that you might have. The third complication that can occur is during tele-verification. Your tele-verification can take 1 to 2 days, and you might have to verify your identity maybe 2 times or 3 times. So that is the third complication that you might have. So these are the three complications that you might have for the 3 months of free literally everything. So now getting on to what are things you need to carry with yourself for getting the SIM. You need to carry with yourself a 4G enabled smartphone, that is the necessity, first necessity. Then you need to carry 2 photographs of yourself and an address proof, that can be anything, driving license or Aadhaar card or passport, anything. So by providing these documents, you can get your Reliance Jio SIM for free. If you are thinking about mobile number portability to Reliance Jio, if you want to continue with the same number that you currently have, Reliance Jio does not have that yet. So mobile number portability is not yet allowed in Reliance Jio. I recently asked the executive of Reliance Digital about it, and he said it is not currently out there for Reliance Jio, but it will soon be available around in December. So we have to wait till December if we want to go to Reliance Jio permanently. So now you might be wondering, why is Reliance providing all these unlimited benefits with Reliance Jio? So now I'll tell you what benefit will Reliance have from it. So in a country like India, which has a population of 1.3 billion, if approximately 10% of the people opt for Reliance Jio for the first 3 months, in which it is providing all these facilities, and after 3 months, 10% of that 10% will be retained. It is still a huge number, and Reliance will gain a large number of consumers for its Jio service. And after that, it will start charging the customers like other telecoms too. So it is a great marketing technique adopted by Reliance to increase its customer base in India. So that's about the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, please leave them down in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more quality tech videos like these. And thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Stay tuned and have a good day.